Hello, so now that we've learned the basics of Google Drive, we are going to create a document or upload a file as well later on. So the new button over here, oops, we're going to click that once. Now you can see I can either create a folder, upload a file, upload a folder. I can create a Google Doc, which is the equivalent of a Microsoft Word document. I can create a Google Sheet, which is the equivalent of a Microsoft Excel document. I can create a Google Slides, which is the equivalent of a Microsoft PowerPoint. I can click More. At the moment, your child won't need these. Google Forms might pop up a little bit later, especially for the older ones, but at the moment we're just going to stick to the three basic ones just now. So I'm going to click on Google Docs and I'm going to create a new document. Now, the first thing to know that's really important is that any changes I make are automatically saved onto my Google Drive. So if I type in Google Docs help video, you'll see up here all changes saved in Drive, and this will appear here on my Google Drive. Now, the next thing to do is, this is my title, so I might want to center it, maybe make it bold, underline it. I might want to increase the font size, and I might want to change the font. Now, not every font is here. You do have more in more fonts, and I'd recommend clicking here and typing in Chelsea Market. And there it is. Now, this is a dyslexic friendly font, and you'll see here that the A is the same shape of A that we teach in primary school as well. So that is my favorite one that we can use. So let's highlight all of this, change the font to Chelsea Market. There we go. Now we've got our title, we want to name our document. So with one click, I can type up here untitled document, and it puts our title straight there, and it names our document that title's name. So I'm going to come down, align everything to the left, and I'm going to turn off bold, underline. Let's change the color to, let's go for purple. And I'm going to make it smaller as well. Let's go for 18. And I'm going to say, I hope this video is easy to follow. Full stop. Okay, now you see it said saving up there, and all changes are now saved. So I can close this down. And here is my Google Docs help video. I'll open this out. And there we have, our document has been saved automatically. Now I'm just going to copy and paste this. Okay, so we've got that. Let's now create a PowerPoint or Google Slides. So I'm going to click here. Now, very similarly to using Google Docs, I'm going to do the same again. So click to add title, but we've already done it, so I'm going to just paste it in. Google Docs help video, subtitle. Let's push it to the middle. I hope this video is easy to follow. Now again, click up here for untitled presentation, and I'm going to change docs to slides. Same again here. Now there we have it. If I wanted to change the theme, it's down here. Let's go for, I quite like this one. There we go. And to add in a new slide, I would click here. Now again, all changes are saved. Press on the X, and there is my presentation. Lastly, if I want to create a Google Sheets, I press here. Here's my spreadsheet. Same again, I could type in a load of numbers. 12, 56. I could type in words. Hello, Merkinch. And then up here, let's give it a title. So let's call it Sheets help video. All changes are saved. Done. Press the X, and there it is. Sheets help video. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is pressing new, or second last thing, sorry. On all of these things, there are arrows. These are to get templates. So if I wanted to make a doc from a template, there are a few from the Highland Council that they offer, and a few general ones as well. The last thing would be to upload a file. So I'm going to click on New, File Upload. I'm going to click. This was our Google Drive help video that we used in the last video. So I'm just going to double click that to upload that. You'll see down here, it shows you my upload. And just like that, my video has been uploaded. Thank you for watching.